These are a bunch of Rheem and Rude air conditioners at a commercial property, and they appear to be stamped Octagon style units. And I don't know if they're heat pumps or air conditioners. One of them's running, but in this weather it could be a straight cool unit, like running with a low ambient kit. It's that one right there. See what this one is. Other heat pumps. But it still could be running in either heat mode or cool mode. It's in the 50s right now, so it's kind of borderline either way. Then there's even more of them up there. A Bryant and what looks like a Paint or a Carrier right there, and a couple of other stamped Octagon units right there. I think those are both Rheem as well. Yeah, there's a Rheem Classic X heat pump. Don't know why this one's on the ground when all the rest of them are up on the roof. This one's from December of 1993, and I think it's a 3-ton, 36,000 BTU. Take some pictures of that for the new stamped Octagon mashup. Yeah, so that is a heat pump, but I don't know if it's running in heat mode or cool mode. Alright. Alright. Really good unit. There's the filter dryer. Actually one of the better installs I've seen. Alright. Bunch of stamped Octagon heat pumps. And that one looks like it might be a Bryant. And it just shut off. I don't know what that one is next to the Rheem that was just running, but let me take a look. One of the more interesting installs I've seen. It's actually not a bad one. That is a Bryant. I can tell by the location of the data sheet that is a Bryant. It's a unique install, but it's not a bad one. There's plenty of airflow. If I were the technician, I'd have to think of a creative way to get up there to service them. I'd probably have to use a ladder or something. And then they'd probably use a crane to get them up there on the deck thing. Alright. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.